Greetings, esteemed viewers. Today, we embark on an intellectual journey into the intricate world of JavaScript, focusing on its foundational syntax. Our goal is to delve deep into the nuances of JavaScript's syntax, providing you with advanced insights and a comprehensive understanding that goes beyond the surface level. This exploration is designed for those of you who are already familiar with the topic, but are seeking to refine your knowledge and master the subtleties of JavaScript's syntax. JavaScript, a high-level interpreted programming language, is ubiquitous in the development of web applications, enabling dynamic content to come alive on the client side. Its syntax, the set of rules that defines the combinations of symbols considered to be correctly structured programs, is both powerful and complex, demanding a nuanced understanding to fully leverage its capabilities. Let us begin with the basic structure of a JavaScript program. At its core, JavaScript code can be inserted into any part of an HTML document with the use of the script tag. However, the placement of this tag can significantly impact the loading time and performance of a web page, a subtlety often overlooked by novices. For instance, placing scripts at the bottom of the body element ensures that the HTML is parsed before the JavaScript is loaded, enhancing the user experience by displaying the content faster. Moving on to variables, JavaScript employs the var, let, and const keywords for variable declarations, each with its own scope and hoisting behavior. The nuanced difference between var, which is function scoped, and let and const, which are block scoped, is crucial for writing clean and error-free code. Furthermore, const is used to declare variables whose values are not intended to change, introducing an immutable aspect to JavaScript that requires a sophisticated understanding to use effectively. JavaScript's data types include primitives such as strings, numbers, and booleans, as well as complex types like objects and arrays. The dynamic typing of JavaScript, where the type of a variable is checked during runtime, introduces a layer of complexity in ensuring type safety. This necessitates a deep understanding of type coercion and the potential pitfalls of implicit type conversion. Functions in JavaScript are first-class objects, meaning they can be stored in variables, passed as arguments to other functions, and returned from functions. This concept, while powerful, introduces a level of abstraction that requires a refined understanding to utilize effectively. The nuances of callback functions, closures, and arrow functions further enrich the landscape of JavaScript functions, each with its own set of rules and use cases. In conclusion, the syntax of JavaScript is a rich tapestry woven with intricate rules and exceptions. Today, we have journeyed through the basic structure of JavaScript programs, delved into the complexities of variable declarations, data types, and functions, and uncovered the sophisticated nuances that lie beneath the surface. This exploration is but a glimpse into the vast world of JavaScript, a language that demands both respect and a deep understanding to master. Thank you for joining us on this intellectual exploration. We hope that this video has enriched your understanding of JavaScript syntax and inspired you to delve deeper into its complexities. Remember, mastery comes with practice and continued learning. Until next time, keep coding and exploring the boundless possibilities of JavaScript.